All the users access HFM via what we call the Workspace, so we need to be comfortable navigating around. So you open the Workspace using a web browser. You can use Internet Explorer or Firefox, and the Workspace ensures that we have all our applications centralized, and it gives our users a very consistent way of not just accessing HFM, but potentially Hyperion Planning and other EPM products and applications. So as an administrator, we will need to provide the URL for the Workspace. Once the user's logged into the Workspace, they'll need to open their particular application, and the application is product specific. So we'll select Navigate Applications, and in this case we're going to select Consolidation. There we can see all the applications that the administrator has provisioned for us to use. So you notice with the Workspace you can access multiple products and multiple applications. You'll notice from within the Workspace you have an Explore option. If you click Explore, it opens Explore on a new tab, and in there you can find all the financial reports that have been created in the Financial Reporting Studio. You can also find books, which are groups of reports. As an administrator, you can also import any sort of file you wish. So it could be a PDF with instructions, it could be a spreadsheet as a Smart View template. And the users can use this as a place where they can download these types of documents. So as well as financial reports, you can provide the user base with any type of document you wish. Once we're in an application, for example here we can see KT Demo on a separate tab, we have three key areas of the screen. We've got the View pane, which is used to navigate around the various documents and tasks that exist within HFM. So the Application Tasks panel gives you access to all the types of tasks that are predefined in HFM. If you click on the Documents in Application Tasks, you can then start to access all the types of documents that the administrator and the application owner has created. You've also got task lists on the left. This provides the users a simple way of navigating through the various documents and tasks. The Content pane shows you the current document or the current task. This is where you'll do most of your work. Over on the right hand side you do have filters or options depending on what you're working with. So keep an eye out for the filters, that will help you find items. The options will determine how a task or a document behaves. So in the View pane we can expand and contract the tasks, the folders and the task lists. And you can collapse the View pane if you wish to give you more room when working in the Content pane. All the tasks and the task lists available are filtered based on security access. So as an administrator, you'll need to provision the user and give them access to certain tasks. As an administrator, you can build documents and task lists and set up security around those. You do need to double click to open documents and tasks from the View pane. And when we think about security, an advanced user will have access to both application tasks and task lists. So if a user is not flagged as advanced, which is a setting we'll see later in shared services, they only see the task lists panel of that View pane. There is also a consolidation menu where you can access the documents and you can access all the tasks as well. And again, security determines which tasks and also which documents and folders within the documents you can access. When you're working in the Workspace, be aware that on the right hand side you have filters or options. So if you're working with the documents, for example, you can filter the type of document that you quickly want to access. Or if you're working in a grid, you have various options to show data or to show the review level or the calculation status. Or if you're in process control, you might wish to apply filters to the review levels. You might wish to see labels, descriptions, or both. So dependent on where you're working, the panel on the right hand side will be presented for filtering or give you various options for a task.